Hello everyone, Mike Arnold here, co-founder of Path Trading Partners along with Bob Iacchino. Bitcoin update, haven't done one in a few days because it stayed sideways. We identified those key levels we were watching, this of 47,000 and 650 area. Finally yesterday got the close just slightly above it, and we got some follow through today. So this is actually a bullish breakout from this horizontal little channel. We had prior resistance. Now that prior resistance is becoming support. So 47,000 is your key level of support. You don't want to see a close back below that for the bullish case. Not quite to the next levels yet. Let me get this expanded. I'm not going to update them just yet, but we have 48,520 and then major level 49,150. Those are the next key levels higher. If you do get a move around there, besides updating the harmonic projections, I would then look for 50,400 is the next key level to the upside. I mentioned this is a nice 4-hour chart on a pullback. Your first key area of support is about 47,550 right now. And then we're watching 47,000. If it briefly dips below that, it's fine. You just don't want the daily close below that level. A dip below, I'd be watching about 46,700 as your major support. And if we drop below that, then it's a bullish move. It's been a fake out move. Our support would be 46,000, then back to 44,650. So, but that's it. So far, it's holding this bullish move. The 1 hour just drifting sideways, letting the 1 hour rotation zone catch up. If you need a quick little level to watch for a little pullback, it's 47,650. That's his prior resistance ledge becoming support with the rising the 1 hour rotation zone. Let's do a quick update on Ethereum while we're at it. Ethereum also finally getting above this 3524 level, so that's now key support. Has not gotten into the harmonic projections, stalling out against the prior key levels of 3583. Let me go to that 4-hour chart instead of 1 hour. So you have this 3583 level still above there. We're watching 3647 to about 3655, and then above that is 3727 area. Key support, I'm now focusing on 3524 as the first level of support. Let's take a look at that 1 hour. Yeah, 3524 to about 3537. If we drop below that, my focus then drops to 3642. 3462, correction. Where we have the rising 4-hour rotation zone. We have this prior resistance ledge right in here becoming support with reinforced by the rotation zone. Below that would not be bullish, but my next level would be 3392, then 3264, then major support coming in at 3162. You really don't want to see a close below this 3524 level again, and especially below 3462. But 3524 would be a false breakout in my book if we close back down below that. That's what I have for you on Bitcoin and Ethereum, and I'll talk to everyone later. Bye for now.